Let's copy the cell conditional formatting rules from column C, these cells here, to all the other cells in the spreadsheet that contain a test score. It's really easy to do using a technique called paste special. First of all, we set the data we're interested in. Copying these ones here. I click copy, Control C. Oh dear. Now I choose these cells here. I'm just going to click on the top one because we're copying from one place to another, and those places have the same shapes. So now all I need to do is go right click, and I click on the button that says paste special. And I choose over here, I want you to copy the formats, please. I click OK, and you notice the format's copied over. Have a look at this cell at the top here. It's got an A here, it's got a C here. It's clear it hasn't copied the data. Another way I can do this is using the format pane to this thing up here. I select the cells I want to copy, I click on the paintbrush, and now you notice that my cursor has a paintbrush alongside, and I can paint the format here. I format painter, and I do the same again to format across my spreadsheet in the red areas. And this I click on will be painted given the fact that I'm copying. There we go, job done.